Right, in this video we are going to create some expenses from bank payment, creating expenses from bank payment. So let's look into how we can create expenses from bank payment. If sometimes some suppliers, they don't give us invoices, right? So therefore we have to create whatever payment they make through the bank, we need to create as an expenses. So let's go now. Here it all gone from the bank NetWest payment. It is from NetWest. So payments, we know what to enter for payment. Number one for payment. Now here, and it has gone to what is the date? 03/06/2024. The reference number 100,303, and rent for June, and the amount is 1,500. Because we do not have invoice, we can't charge VAT and expenses. In its expenses, it is rent. Select rent. Okay, next one, we are going to do again payment. It's on tab key 10034, and the date is 05/06/2024, and expenses is cleaning, and the amount is 350, and no VAT expense, and here cleaning. Right, next one, pay. It is business rates £900, and in pay, and the reference number is 100,401. the date is 10th of April 2025. Business rates, and the amount is 900, no VAT expenses, and it is RATES rates. So that's it.